BJP chief has asked for boycott of Chinese products, backs made in India goods. I want to ask the BJP president, how can he make this statement when all ore from Goa has been transported to China? How much they have been transporting? We were asking for 20 tons capping. They had orders only more than 20,000 million metric tons. Now I want to ask them, isn't this same? Why instead of sending it to China, तुम China धाडसो कित्या कारण तुम्ही इंडिया स्टील कोन्ना आनी कित्या वीक नाही? हाँगकाँग कित्या धाडनाय तुम्ही जपाना कित्या धाडनाय? आता I want to ask one more question. With this same steel, doesn't China produce tanks, planes, fighter planes, bullets, and each bullet, each tank आमगे Indian soldiers मान नाही? They're like going to assembly and going to government responsible international. तेगेर इंटरनॅशनल पडे बेज आहे त्यो बंद करचो पडलो. आता ह्यो टँक आहे त्यो बुलेट आहे त्यो आमगे ओन इंडियन सोल्जर्स मातले जाल्यार आमगे गोंयचे गव्हर्मेंटाक एंटी नॅशनल म्हणना जाल्यार बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंटाक बीजेपी प्रेसिडेंटाक एंटी नॅशनल म्हणना जाल्यार आनी कितें म्हणपाचें? सेकंड थिंग, वेरी सिंपल. प्रायम मिनिस्टर मोदीजी आहा, वन स्ट्रोक ऑफ बॅनिंग इम्पोर्ट्स from China is enough to close. Why you want to ask Indians not to buy Chinese products? Ban imports. Adani, Ambani are one of the largest 50% of imports from China they do. Part of the money of these profits go to the BJP party. Can't Prime Minister stop this? And last, if not the least, customs. Can customs not give clearance, stay without giving clearance for whatever goods that have been imported? What is going on? Why this double-faced politics? Indeed, आमगे गोंयचे गव्हर्मेंटान बरयलां सेंटराकू जाल्यार हांव बरयतां प्रायम मिनिस्टराक. My letter will go tomorrow in respect to this, to the Prime Minister. He ban imports from China. Let customs stop clearing Chinese products. The issue is over. And Make India we will support. But don't do these things. हे तुम कोरीता है बीजेपी पार्टी हे कोरीता है तुम्ही उलयता एक आणि कोत्ताय दुसरे लोकांक दाखोवपाक बंद करे and practice what you preach. This is for the BJP government in Goa.
So import and export business open. Import and export is a business, is a commercial business. So it the economy won't be harmed.
Economy harm जाता जाल्यार तुवें कित्याक स्टेटमेंट केलो तेंगे प्रोडक्ट्स बॅन कर म्हणून? Did it apply your mind when you made this statement? Chinese products to ban कर म्हणटाय. हाडपाचें बंद करे. बरें आमगे ओर थिंग वयता. ते बुलेट्स जाताय तेंगे आमरी जाता तेंगे टँक्स जाता तेंगे बॉम्ब्स जाताय आमगे ओराचेर आनी तो चोराचे स्टील जाता ते आमगे इंडियन सोल्जरां मारताय ते आमी मारताय ते आनी मागीर ते इंटरनॅशनली हें सगळें तुमी चिंतलो ना? हें चिंत नासतना तुमी बेश्टे उलयताय लोकांक दाखोवपाक. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. नो, इज इट करेक्ट और नॉट करेक्ट? आय वॉन्ट आस्क द पीपल ऑफ तो म्हणटे भाशेन अर्धा म्हणटा मागीर इंडिया वॉन्ट्स टू नो. सो आय एम आस्किंग गोवा वॉन्ट्स टू नो.
You made an allegation about Adani and Jindal giving a cut to the party. Can you elaborate it?
See, it is a well-known fact that these big industries are giving money to parties. We are making allegations we are giving BJP. Someone else makes say we are giving Congress. But हे सगळे बंद जावपा ना. Issues बंद जावपा नाही. People will stop talking only. No, if you import, that part of the money, if the imports bond kele and allegations bond jatle. So I am not here to make allegations on somebody. I am here on one issue. My issue is very simple. You are saying make in India, ban Chinese products. The BJP party chief in Goa has made a statement, and we are very clear. When he says that, other side you are exporting, the over export zata thinga. The amount of electricity, the way they are helping them to export, they want to become anti-national so fast. Trucks are not being checked. overloaded, no distancing, no checks on COVID, no checks on how much ore is going. Strategically, even satellite pictures, even they are supposed to keep a check on how much load is going, the mining department. Everything, whole office is bond padla hai, whole system bond padla hai. Let them elaborate, tell us that they have said that this many trucks have gone on so many days. The Supreme Court is very clear. How much should be transported? 20,000 million metric tons capping korpas hotta hai. At that time, Supreme Court has a judgment how many trucks can ply on one road. They have all exceeded all that. The NGOs are shouting that they are exceed kota hai. Kaun action kya na? And then where is the question of एक allegation? कितनी allegation है? But double face up अपन करे.
How the custom can play a role?
It is the central government's customs come from the central government. Stop clearing the products. आपको ये लो है इतने पत्ते that clear करना का.
Exactly, that is the custom at Harbour. So how they can play the role in this?
They cannot play the role. The central government has to direct customs to stop clearing. Central Prime Minister has to stop importing goods from China. The issue is over. Why you want to tell the people to stop buying Chinese products? You don't even bring Chinese products, no, then they will be over, no? Why bring only when you are bringing and you are telling people not to buy? Why? I am on one issue. I am not on any other allegation. I am on one issue, the double faced that this party is doing in Goa. The president should have not made a statement like this, or he has to answer all these things.
Do you mean to say that you should build up a steel plant over here itself in India or in Goa?
Of course, build a plant. There are already polluting industries in Kungoli. All over India there are steel plants. To any plant Goya adpache and any controversy korpache issue side in the existing plants I think supply kore. What stops you from supplying in India? Why China? Why not other country? And if you say it's a low grade ore, I am also even telling you that low grade ores why is the hurry? Why is so much of help given by the government for them to export it, Sogle, breaking all laws of the land? Why? Aren't they not to be called anti-nationalists? Only other than them, BJP nine tension nationalists mudapache, thanka nine thanka non thanka against nation mudapache and thank anti-nationals mudapache and check on BJP high thanka nationalists mudapache. When you yourself are giving ore to China, China is making bullets, tanks, bombs with our steel and using it on our own army and on our own people. What do you want to call these people? Not anti-nationals or nationals?
If it is so, the port will not function, and how the things will be happen?
That they should have thought about it before. All things they should have thought before making such a statement. I am only calling the party double-faced. They are making these statements. Let us not go into economy because economy is a big subject. Revival of an economy उलयता जाल्यार तेंगे revivalचे काय ना. Coal पास वाढोवंक लागले ते all coal which is low polluting coal हाडोवंक लागले. तिचे मागीर या ते आनी उलयचें आता. But all these issues when seafarers have been not allowed to, their ships are not been allowed to come to port in Goa. Then Bombay and Inga Tinga devoita tu tras sale tenka and yo shipang soglam permission dita. I am only highlighting one issue and this issue is very straight. That don't be double faced to the BJP party.
Regional latest news is that one positive patient has been found in the Kalangu and CM still is saying it's a local transmission. And apart from that, Michael Lobo is saying that restaurants should be open. What do you like to say on that?
See, restaurants opening is a part of economic. That's a different issue. Now, अनेक केस चालती. तें तेंगेले mishandling अशें जाल्या. आनी transmission म्हणते there is no local transmission and there is no community transmission. It has to be the community. Local आणि community म्हणते different जावपाक शकना. मनीस आहा तो local मनीस आहा तो community मा आसत तेका. So there is no question. Family मध्ये हे जाता, transmission जाता, जावं लोकांमध्ये neighbors मध्ये जाता. It is community transmission. Anyway, I want the government. There is already fear spread in the minds of the people. People from Vasco, if you want to lock down, they have already moved out. If you want to lock down some area, there's already panic, they are buying. See what we have come to that same place. Lockdown कोची पयली तेका भिरांत घायल जाल्यार ते सगळे panic buying जातले आनी कितें जातलें. Same thing what happened initially is happening back again. Thank लोकां जर बरे भाशेन सांगिल्लें बाबा if you lock down you will be safe and we will see that we supply you everything, our responsibility is there. And that amount of trust if you give them, there is no need to worry. But here people are not trusting the government. They are running off from Vasco. They are running already out of Vasco. Some people are panic buying things. Some people are doing something else. Ingani economy and kitko amge chottoli. Ingi economy ani cover jatali. Government is somehow not handling this issue properly. We are not here. आम्ही राजकारण करपा नाही. आम्ही पॉलिटिक्स करपा नाही. आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाक स्वतः सपोर्ट दिला. अजून देखो सपोर्ट दिते आहे. आमगे सर्विसेस वी आर दोज हू से जे कोण म्हणटा ते आमी पॉलिटिक्स करता आनी राजकारण करता ते थोड्यांनी फेसबुकाचेर पोस्ट करता ते पॉलिटिक्स ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा हें करता कन्फ्युजन करता जावं पॉलिटिक्स हे टायमाचेर करप न्ही म्हणटा तेका हांव सांगता की आमी आमगे सर्विसीस देखून ऑफर केलो आहा. मायकल लोबन काल एक स्टेटमेंट केलो की चर्च NGOs आनी सगल्यांनी एकठांय जायन हेल्प करपा जाय म्हण. मायकल लोबो आतां कळ्ळें हितून तें कळना चर्च NGO सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जायन हेल्प करपा जाय म्हणून. So always remember in such circumstances you need to take help from everybody. तेतून कितें जातालें मायकल लोबो म्हणलें ना आय थिंक ही फॉगॉट तेतून कोविडा पयशांक कितें तांकां त्रास जायत न्हू पयशे डिस्ट्रिब्युशना कडेन तांकां लागून कोणा भायर दोन आपणागेले मनीस न्हू. कोविड इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर फ्यू पीपल. इट इज फॉर everybody, all sections of the people. Whatever help you give the people, you have to give everybody. You can't say particular community, particular any. Last is not the least to get a community transmission. There is no community. There is you can't say that there is local transmission. Any local steps you take will restrict it. If you don't take steps, then it will fail. I know. I again want to say that everybody who has helped, let's respect them. And I am here not to create confusions, but again we are offering our help. We are ready to help even at this point of time.
How you see